I'm just going to start off with a streaming update before we get to local events in Prescott Valley, etc. And of course, this is brought to you by Yavapai College's RADC Quest Grant, tuition-free certifications to expand your career. So guess what I watched?
What did you watch
this past week? And I binged it like in 2 nights.
What was it?
On Amazon, American Primeval, directed by, produced by Peter Berg. He's slaying it with shows right now. Awesome show. It takes place in the 1850s, about the Mormon militia.
We were just kids then.
Every day is like a bad day in the 1850s. It was just one thing after another, but it keeps you so hooked. So highly recommend, 5 stars. That's my streaming review, American Primeval. Watch it if you haven't.
And if you want to not think about anything, watch Las Vegas. It's on, so there's a new, and what is it? Max. So I think it was HBO something, but now it's Max. So have you ever watched the Las Vegas series? It used to be on NBC years ago. So fun. It's based in the casinos, and there's like the whales that come in, and you've got your casino hosts that keep them playing, and you see they run like the security of it's a show. It's like a 40, back in the day, like an hour-long show with commercials and everything. But is it like,
it's like
behind
a comedy, the scenes kind of like
it's like following
the
valet guy. You follow security, you follow the pit bosses and the casino hosts.
Is it a drama or is it real life? Like
it's drama and it's drama comedy. So it's funny to me. And I've watched it I've binged that series like 4 times. Not binge, I just have it on. And that and Big Bang Theory. Do you ever watch that?
Yes, that's a good show.
Sometimes just laugh.
I like
just
that.
Laugh, guy.
So what we got going on? Events.
What do we have going on? Happy hour special at Rafter 11 this Friday from 5 to 7. I'm going to miss it, even though they're going to have live music because I'm going to Vegas. Local artists. For more information, visit rafter11.com.
I will take up the art of wildflowers with birds, bees, and butterflies at Watters Garden Center in Prescott, Saturday, January 25th.
The 3 Bs.
9:30 to 10:30 at Watters Garden Center. Time to get those wildflower seeds started. I've been wanting to do this. I always miss it. So I guess I have to throw them down pretty soon.
You got to go out there and just toss them.
Okay, I'll do it.
I suppose I'll talk about Tatas.
There you go. Trails for Tatas fundraiser. Go.
Yep. Sunday, January 26th from 11 to 5 at Dad's Backyard Grill in Prescott Valley. Join them for lunch or an early dinner, and 15% of food sales will be donated to the Baskin Breast Care Center at YRMC. No flyer needed. If you'd like more information, call 928-460-5489.
I'm going to let you take the next one because you're the football fool.
Football fool.
Did you see the Instagram reel I sent you? It was that comedian giving, he was like a counselor for NFL fans who don't want to admit that their team didn't make it to the playoffs, like the Bengals.
Shut up. Because when I watched it, I was like, that's really funny. And then I went, okay, but there is everything that needed to happen happened except for one time. But there was like 5 separate
you do
things.
This, you lie to yourself.
I do. I lie to myself. Anyway, apparently there's still playoffs. We're going into the conference championship. So
look how your energy just kind of deflated after again realizing the Bengals aren't in the playoffs.
Yeah, my tattoo gets itchy and sad.
So let's pick up the energy, even though you lost.
All right, let's go B-dubs. Whoop whoop. It's playoffs this weekend. We were down to 2 games. Steelers didn't make it through, which makes me happy, and also Ravens. So AFC North is completely out of the contention for Super Bowl champion. So I guess there's something. This weekend we have, who is it? The Commanders, who were the Redskins, beat the Lions, who is kind of hoping we're going to make it, but they are playing some ball. And they will be playing the Eagles, which that will be a good game. And then you've got...
This is a football fan. She's just, it's in her brain.
It's there. And then the AFC... See, here's my concern. Like, why even do an AFC playoff? Just do an NFC playoff and see who's going to play the Chiefs. Because I swear, they had 2 roughing the passer calls where they didn't even touch Patty Mahomes.
See, I don't even know what she's talking about. It's like a role reversal. I should be talking about cooking or something.
We'll talk about Tatas. Anyway, so it'll be the Bills against the Chiefs, and it's actually the Bills against the Refs next Sunday. So we'll see what happens. But I am praying, Lord, Bills and Redskins / Commanders Super Bowl.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes.
Got a prediction here from the Big E.
Let's get away from the Chiefs. You could talk about Arenacross. That's
AMA
man stuff.
Arenacross at the Findlay Toyota Center in town of Prescott Valley, Friday, February 7th, and Saturday, February 8th, 6 to 9 p.m. As mentioned, the Findlay Toyota Center. Fans can expect a fast-paced, family-friendly show on the track, and it is a track. Boulders, logs, high jumps. I think I mentioned it before. We had some nurses in here from Yavapai College and YRMC, and they say they always get 1 or 2 riders in the hospital. It's an awesome event. I've been.
It's really good. I've been as well.
For tickets, FindlayToyotaCenter.com.
And if that wasn't enough, Jeff Dunham is coming again
on a steak.
He's funny. He is funny. Hilarious. A man and his puppets.
Terrorist on a steak. I think he's doing the AI show.
He is, which will be very fitting right now. Saturday, March 8th at 5 o'clock at the Findlay Toyota Center in Prescott Valley. Get your tickets at visit FindlayToyotaCenter.com.
Deal of the week by In the Game in the Prescott Valley Town Center. Get a $20 play card for only $10. Families come out. Get that free $10. That's 40 quarters, people.
40 quarters. And if you have an opportunity, go play some mini golf out there.
Quarters? That's 40 quarters.
It's like 20 degrees outside. Go play some mini golf too.
Yeah. They have a heater inside. Heating is free.
Heating is free. Just don't go outside.
Free
there's still guys out golfing right now. It's crazy.
Sweet.
Living in harmony, gardening with deer and javelina. Do you have any good javelina stories? Do you get javelina at your house?
My old house we did because we had an apple tree and they loved them. That was in Prescott off a country club drive. No, I've seen a few at our property. I think the dogs scare them away.
So one time we just moved here and we had javelina, but we didn't really know much about them because you don't really get javelina in California. I say that very slowly, California. Sneak that in. And Frank shot one in the butt with a BB gun and shot it and it ran away. And then the next night they created havoc in my yard.
Payback.
They ripped up all my pumpkins. They ripped up our mat in front of our door. They tore it up. They have a memory, I think, because they were out for blood. They were mad. So go call Ken Lane. He'll help you out. Go check it out.
Did you know, since you're a sports freak, that the Prescott boys basketball is ranked #1 in the 4A conference? And this week, Torrance T.D. Dunham, our prodigal sports podcaster on cast11.com, covers that. So check it out. He also covers Bradshaw Mountain Bears and the Chino Valley Cougars.
You want to know why this makes me mad?
Why is that?
Why do all sports make me mad? Because I have cheerleaders that are both on PHS cheer squad and also on Bradshaw Bear squad. So I sadly root for them to not go any farther than regular season because my girls kind of have to choose between practices. And so depending, like right now we're getting ready for nationals, so they cannot be.
You have nationals next week, right?
Yeah, this weekend.
So just so our listeners know, you own, operate
Storm Elite.
Storm Elite Cheer. You are a national championship team based out of Prescott Valley. Chino Valley you got little Stardust dancers everywhere.
We have Baghdad represented. We have Williams. We have Wickenburg.
You got people from Williams that come down to practice weekly?
And Baghdad.
I think
Wickenburg.
Williams is farther, is it not? No.
Yeah.
I think it's a little farther. That's crazy. I hate driving that highway at night. That's a tough one.
So my senior 4 team is going for a 3-peat. So they will be
in Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
Is that at the?
This one's at the Orleans. You went to the one at the Westgate.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Westgate. I always go there to visit my brother because he does the ASD merchandise show like twice a year, and that used to be the old Hilton when it was nice. It's kind of
yeah.
But they got the convention center right there.
We are staying at the Orleans, which is not my first choice, but when it's a 2-day comp, you kind of, because it's a long day. But we are poised to come back with some hardware. So some jackets. And
Hardware is what you call it, trophies.
Hardware.
So purchase of the week. Did you buy anything really cool that you like? I bought something I love.
What
I
did
bought
you
a
get?
heated vest
Oh.
with like a 5K battery because I'm going skiing with my daughter in Colorado in February. And I'm just at that age where guy doesn't like being cold anymore.
I do
And
not
I
like
remember
the
sitting
cold.
on those ski lifts back in I haven't skied in 10 years. Last time I skied was with her in Colorado. So they got all this new tech now. I bought a vest, some heated gloves. There's some other stuff I may buy. But I tested the vest the other day. I had to go out and do some chores. It was cold.
Snuggly.
Nice.
What about the gloves? Are the like the
I haven't gotten
pockets?
them yet. They were
Get
more
those
expensive
gloves.
than the vest.
That's crazy.
But yeah, then I realized, well, wait a minute. Are these TSA friendly?
Oh.
Right? Lithium batteries. So I realized you can pack your gloves and your vest in your checked bag,
Mhm.
but your batteries have to be on your carry-on. So a little tip for you on if you got, maybe I'm behind the curve. Maybe everybody already knows
Maybe
this.
everybody
I
knows.
didn't.
I didn't know.
But
didn't know.
gosh, it's so nice.
Yeah, that would be going. The coolest thing I bought lately, do you know that you can get like a 35-inch television for $89?
They're like nothing now. That's a smart TV, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just turn it on. You've got everything, Netflix, everything that you need. So everyone thinks I'm super bougie because I have a TV in my bathroom in front of the bathtub. So you can go in there and you can watch a show or something while you're in the bathtub. And it's like, it's not bougie. It was like $90. I think they threw it in free. If you spent so much, you get a free TV or something.
You know what I don't like about TVs now?
What?
And I just realized it last night because I had to get one of those software updates.
Oh, yeah.
And it gives you like these disclaimers like you got to accept the marketing. It's no longer just a TV. It's a phone, right?
Mhm.
It's going to throw stuff at you. It's going to profile you.
I love that though. I love when they say, Alicia, you watch this, you're going to love this.
Oh, you
And
should
guess
see
what?
like my
I do.
profile versus like my wife's is completely different.
It's 100%.
Lone Survivor, American Primeval, right? Documentaries. And then you go to the other profiles. It's just
Las Vegas, Big Bang Theory,
Right.
Friends, like all the fun stuff.
exactly.
Schitt's Creek. Did you ever watch that?
I started to.
So good. You should watch it. It'll make you laugh.
Okay.
Fun.
I kind of laughed at American Primeval, people that weren't prepared. Like, see, that's what happens back then when you weren't prepared. Now you get an apology if you're not prepared. Back then, you just died.
Yeah. Too many things want to kill
Too
you.
many things going on. Anywho, that's all I
done.
got.
I'm done.
That was
man.
our product review and our streaming review and all of our events in Prescott Valley, Chino Valley, Verde. That's all I got from First to Know. See ya.